Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So actually on this one, it's not an installation, it's just a quick overview. I installed the Ranch Hand Grill Guard here on my 2013 2500 Silverado. Really fits the truck really nice. It's something that I wanted for a long time, and I don't know if you guys know, in my other videos I kind of mentioned I was gonna get a Laverne. I was really excited about the Laverne Grill Guard because you know it has a bottom step, it has a winch and all that fun stuff. But anywho, after months of delay, I bought it through Car ID. Car ID was awesome. It's my first purchase through them. I've heard nightmare stories, but I've had really good service through them, really cool people. But it was months of delay due to COVID and, you know, manufacturing and just no supply. And then what happened was it got delayed again for another 3 months. So Car ID, you know, called me back and they're like, hey, we got a Ranch Hand instead. Do you want to install that? And I was like, okay, yeah, I'll go for that. Not, you know, knowing now that these guys, Ranch Hand is a huge brand. But it fits the truck really nice. Design's really nice on it. Installation took me about 4 hours, and I actually had to bust out the power tools. So as you can see, there's 2 bottom brackets. What's really cool and what I was really nervous about is that it keeps the factory tow hooks, which is what I wanted. I didn't want to take tow hooks out in case something happens. You can still kind of mount to it, so that's cool. And then you have 2 mounts that kind of hook into the bumper frame. There's 2 huge bolts that kind of go down. Taking the grill off on this is pretty easy. It's getting to those frame bolts. You just gotta have power tools. This is the first time where I ran into an issue where we were trying to go under there with the pipe and stuff and break those bolts, and we just had to use a compressor, air tools, to get it done. But overall, it's really nice, really durable. I know in the photos and stuff, and even in this video, it doesn't look that like heavy duty, but as you can see there, it kind of sticks farther out, and I mean, it looks really beefy even on the front of this truck. So now in my other video, we'll be also installing the 10-inch light bar, the E-Series Pros Night Edition from Rigid. So I'm trying to figure out some clamp situation. As you can see, I pretty much ran all the lighting, the light wiring. So yeah, here's just a quick look at it.